Hello, and welcome to the video walkthrough for discussion week 4. We're going to talk about the half-edge data structure, mesh operations using this data structure, and an intro to ray tracing. So in lecture, we talked about representing our 3D objects using these triangle meshes. So basically parameterizing our object by a bunch of little triangles. And in order to actually store this triangle mesh and do operations over our mesh fairly easily, we talked about using the half-edge data structure. So there's other ways to represent your triangle mesh, but this is the way that allows you to traverse across your mesh very easily and do other operations pretty easily, and you'll be using this in project 2. So this is what it'll look like for project 2. There's a half-edge struct, vertex, edge, and face structs. And you'll be using these and their different pointers to traverse across your mesh and do different operations. So we'll go over an example and go over some problems in the discussion worksheet that should get you more familiar with using this data structure. And hopefully you'll be ready for project 2. So this is just a small example. Let's say you want to process each face vertex. So in this example, you have one face and 3 vertices associated with this face, so it's a triangle. And so you want to call some function process on every vertex. So if you start at a vertex, let's look over on the left here. Your vertex stores the position and a pointer to the half edge. So you're going to want to take your half edge, associated half edge, and use all of these half edges to traverse through this triangle. So if you look over on the right here, every half edge points to its next half edge, and it will actually just loop around if you call next on your half edge enough times. So that all is to say half edge dot next dot next dot next would be the same exact half edge. So this is really great for actually just like looping around your triangle or kind of doing operations over one triangle without going too far. So in this example, we save our start half edge and we do our processing in a while loop and stop once we've actually returned to our start half edge. So that's kind of our ending case here, which is why we kind of want to store these like looping next pointers. So let's go on to the next discussion problem so you guys can get some experience with this.